Welcome to the MIDI introduction of the plant family Araliaceae, more commonly known as the ginseng family. My name is Olivia Kramer, and this is an assignment completed for the Introduction to Ethnobotany course at UAF. Seen here on the right side is an illustration of the entirety of the ginseng plant, which includes berries, leaves, and roots. What makes a plant family? The Red Seal landscape horticulturist explains that plant families are separated and named according to structural differences among their flowers, fruits, and seeds. Genera with similar structures are grouped within a particular family. Seen on the right side is an illustration from Thomas Eppel's Botany in a Day, which describes many common features of plant families. This image shows patterns of the ginseng family, such as flower and fruit that form in umbels, the number of stamens, petals, and ovary chambers, and the types of fruit and seeds formed. The Integrated Taxonomic Information System database is a government website that houses taxonomic info for all recognized plants. Beginning at the Kingdom Classification of Plantae for Araliaceae plants and traveling down its taxonomic hierarchy can help identify attributes that all Araliaceae plants have in common. The hierarchy lets us know that plants of the Araliaceae family are green, vascular, land plants. They also flower, they reproduce with seeds, are dicotyledonous, and their flowers form in umbels. Broadly speaking, the Araliaceae family includes 70 genera and around 700 species. They prefer moist environments and are often known to contain volatile oils. Some members will produce flowers and berries on dense heads or elongated spikes. Seen on the left side is an illustration of Hedera helix, a member of the Araliaceae family commonly known as English ivy. As stated previously, plant families are grouped together according to similarities among their fruits, flowers, and seeds. Araliaceae plant flowers from single umbels. For the most part, Araliaceae flowers also have 5 separate sepals, 5 separate petals, and 5 stamens positioned alternately to the petals. However, some flowers have 4 or 10 sepals and 3 to numerous petals. The flower symmetry is regular with an inferior positioned ovary. The image on the left side shows various flowering and fruiting parts of Araliaceae plants. The fruit of Araliaceae plants are purple or red berries or drupes. The ovary becomes 5 united carpels with partition walls present and an equal number of chambers. On the right-hand side is a picture of Schefflera arboricola, commonly known as the dwarf umbrella tree. Seeds of plants from the Araliaceae family are housed as 1 seed per carpel for each berry. Sometimes they form drupes, a fleshy fruit with a stony seed. On the far left is a scientific illustration of Schefflera villosissima. Next is Dendropanax flumensis. On the right is the Polycias flinii. An Araliaceae plant found in Alaska that I will be using as an example is the Oplopanax horridus, commonly named devil's club. It is a deciduous perennial herb, usually 1 to 3 meters tall and composed of thick, decumbent to ascending stems. Old growth stems are covered in gray bark. The leaf veins, petioles, and stems are all covered in spines. The leaves are large palmate, simple, lobed, arranged spirally, and with serrated edges. Features of the devil's club that qualify it as a member of the Araliaceae family are found among its flowers, fruits, and seeds. As for the flowers, this plant forms a long flowering and fruiting stalk. The greenish-white flowers form in densely packed umbels with 5 petals, 5 sepals, and 5 stamens. They also have an inferior ovary. As for the fruit and seeds, Araliaceae plants often form purple-red berries or drupes. Seen here is a bright red drupe with one seed per carpel. This plant prefers moist environments and also has volatile oils.